Welcome to this installment in the XSitePro tutorial series, helping you get the most out of the powerful XSitePro website design software. Before we dive into the wonderful world of producing eye-popping sites with XSitePro 2, let us quickly show you an easy way of getting started. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a new site, including choosing a template and organize it along with other sites into one or more projects. As you can see here, I already have a number of projects and sites. But we're going to create another one from scratch. And I'll show you just how easy it is to go from zero to, wow, I can't believe I actually made this. Let's start a brand new project by clicking the Add Project button. Here we're prompted for a name. I'll enter Time Management Sites. Next we need to enter some keywords. These will show up as suggested keywords for each new site we create as part of this project. But you can always edit the list on an individual site basis. I just pasted in my list like so. And finally, if we wish, we can enter a description of the project. This is just for our own information. It doesn't show up anywhere on your sites. Okay. Let's just click on the project to select it. And then we'll choose Add Website. The first thing you need to do is select a template. Templates are wonderful, especially for non-designers, because they let you create a beautiful website in minutes without having to worry much about the aesthetics. As you can see, you have several template types to choose from. For example, blank website, which is just what it sounds like, good for designer types who truly want to start from scratch for complete flexibility. Sales letter templates, which are ideal for a one-page product marketing pitch. Graphical templates, which are gorgeous and great for beginners because pretty much everything's already done for you. Plus, they're easy to customize. Plain templates, which are simpler designs and as such are super simple to customize. Next, we have stylish templates, which are somewhat harder for the beginner to customize, but they're really quite beautiful right out of the box. Just add content. You probably won't have the User Created button available to you when you start off, but I have supplemented with a few of my own templates. You see, advanced users can create their own designs and then save them as templates. Thereafter, they'll be available right from within XSitePro. I'm going to go ahead and choose one of these graphical templates. Scroll through the list, and this is the one I want. So again, we're prompted for a name, this time for the site instead of the project. I'll call it the 4-Hour Website because it's devoted to the practices popularized by Timothy Ferriss in his book, The 4-Hour Workweek. We have a keywords field that has been pre-populated with the project keywords, and I'll just add a few more. This new list, in turn, will be used as the default list for every page we create in this site. And again, we can tweak these at page level if we want. Finally, there's a description field to help you keep all your sites straight. Once we start the process, all the graphics and initial pages are created for you, and the site opens. You can check out the Page Layout tab to get a sense of what your site looks like. We'll cover adjusting the page layout in a separate tutorial. In retrospect, I actually think the template I've chosen for this site is too busy. If you ultimately decide that you're unhappy with the template you chose, you can easily select a new one. Just go to the Tools menu and choose Change Template, where you'll once again be presented with the template dialog, and you can pick another one. I'll pick a simpler one, this time for my custom templates. I'll probably swap out that butterfly logo at some point, but overall looks very nice. Okay, I'm going to save and close the site for now. There are actually 2 more sites that belong in the time management project. Mind Like Water, which is a site devoted to David Allen's Getting Things Done methodology, and Soccer Mom, a niche site devoted to time management for busy moms. Let's go ahead and move them. Just click the site, click the Move button, and choose your project. You can move, edit, and delete sites to help you organize even dozens of them with speed and ease. Congratulations! You've just taken your first step to becoming an XSite master. Please stay tuned to the rest of our tutorial series to create functional, eye-popping sites with XSitePro 2.